I'm going to be showing you a quick even less than 2 minutes of a meal that's going to help you have energy and endurance when going to the gym as your pre-workout meal, so that you don't have to worry about gassing out, crashing when you hit the gym because you didn't have something to eat beforehand. It's as simple as this. All you need is literally oats. Put some banana, put some either pumpkin spice or cinnamon, something that you enjoy that's going to go ahead and help you have carbs, yet give you a lot of energy. Another thing that I will also recommend is putting protein, which I'll go ahead and show you what I use personally. So I use the Syntha-6 cookies and cream flavor protein. I put about half a scoop. If you want to do full scoop, you can. Me personally, just do half. But this is something that you should eat, 30 to 45 minutes before your workout. Something that's going to give you high energy, a very nice pump, and something that's really just going to make you overall feel like literally Superman when you're at the gym, okay? So again, if you're struggling, right, and if you want a good workout, go ahead and try this yourself and let me know your thoughts about how you like it, what it did for you, and how it did for your workout. Let's go.